Okay, so what we want to do is we're looking for the prime factorization. So we're going to make our factor trees. And if you see what your factors of 84 are, you can go ahead and do that. But I like to use the box, the bench, to help me out because I want to make my number smaller. But remember, our trees can look different. We'll just come to the same answer. So 84 divided by 2. So 2 times what gives me 84? It's going to be 42. I'm going to circle that guy because he's a prime. And then I'm going to do 2 again. Again, you could have done another factor, but I just like to use the bench just to keep making the numbers smaller. 2 times what gives me 42? It's going to be 21. And that's another composite number, so I'm going to go ahead and factor that out by 3 and 7, because 3 times 7 gives me 21. These are all primes, so I'm going to circle that. And then I write it out as 84 equals 2 times 2 times 3 times 7. But we want to write this to a power. So this is going to be 84 equals 2 squared times 3 times 7. So this is your prime factorization of 84. And then let's go ahead and do the same thing for number 2. So I'm going to factor out, again, I'm going to go back to my bench just to make 140 smaller. If you see 14 times 10, you could totally do that. Our trees can look different, but our final answer should look the same. So I'm going to do 2 times 70, and then I'm going to divide that out. I'm going to do 7 times 10. Mix it up a little bit. That's a prime, and I know I can factor this down a little further. So my prime factorization, they're all prime numbers. In factorization, that I'm multiplying all my primes. So 140 is equal to 2 times 2 times 5 times 7. And then I'm going to rewrite that as 2 squared times 5 times 7. So this is your prime factorization of this.